This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 21 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, in which we return to the chromatic scale which was first covered in lesson 13. The worksheet provides fingering illustrations and exercises to guide you through extending chromatic scales to 2 octaves, crossing the break from the bottom to the second register. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. As in lesson 13, the chromatic scale, this time starting on C, is divided up into short sections, 3 to each octave, to make it easier to learn. In exercise 31, covering C to E, you will once again need to choose between the 2 possible fingerings for D sharp. Exercise 32, covering E to G sharp, provides more work on the alternative fingering for F sharp. The chromatic scale is effectively a natural break pattern scale. You cross the break from B flat to left hand B plus right hand C, followed by right hand C as in the scale of C major. Exercise 33, taking you from G sharp to C, covers this. Continuing up the scale, there are 3 more exercises for the 3 sections making up the upper octave. In exercise 34, from C to E, right hand C is followed by left hand C sharp. Exercise 35, from E to G sharp, concerns the alternative fingering for F sharp in the second register. For the top section of the scale, from G sharp to C, you will again need to choose which fingering you will use for B flat. Learning the scale in sections in this way encourages you to think of the scale rhythmically, as this will help you with learning and technical control. Chromatic scales are written out on the worksheet in semiquavers or 16th notes in 3/4 time. A note on the worksheet explains that you can alternatively think of the scale in triplets with 4 groups of 3 notes to the octave. Here is the chromatic scale starting on C in 3 groups of 4 to the octave. 1, 2, 3. Now in 4 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will also learn the chromatic scale starting on F for 2 octaves. This is of course essentially the same scale, and the lower octave is fingered exactly the same way as the second octave of the chromatic scale starting on C. Exercise 37 is a truncated version of the work covered in exercises 31 to 36. Here is the chromatic scale starting on F for 2 octaves. Although they are essentially the same scale, the chromatic scale starting on C and the chromatic scale starting on F are both included in Practice Plan 21. It is important to practice chromatic scales starting on different notes because the strong beats will fall in different places depending on where you start. Don't try to move on to lesson 22 until you can play the chromatic scales quickly and effortlessly.